So this presentation is entitled Sleep Health and Lifestyle. This dataset has 400 rows and 13 columns, which includes a variety of sleep and daily habit-related factors. It contains information about gender, age, occupation, amount of physical activity, stress levels, sleep length and quality, BMI category, blood pressure, heart rate, daily steps, and whether or not sleep problems are present. So, let's start with the measurement of center, the mean, median, and mode. The means the mean sleep duration is 7.13 hours. The median is 7.20 hours. And the mode is 6.21 hours. Since mean and median are very close, this suggests that data is roughly symmetrical. There's no extreme skew in one direction. The mode being slightly lower shows that the most frequent sleep duration is around 6 hours, though the average person gets a bit more sleep than that. So now let's take a look at the measure of spread, which tells us how consistent the data is. The range is 2.7 hours from 5.8 to 8.5 hours, meaning all sleep durations fall within a 3-hour difference. The standard deviation, okay, let's go back, is 0.80, showing that most people's sleep durations are within less than an hour from the mean. The interquartile range, is 1.4. So the middle 50% of individuals sleep between 6.4 and 7.8 hours. Overall, this value suggests that most people in the dataset have fairly consistent sleep duration with only minor variations. So, shape of distribution. The skewness value is 0.038, and when divided by its standard error is 0.126. We get a z-value of 0.30, which is between negative 1.96 and positive 1.96. This tells us the data is symmetrical, showing no significant skew to the left or right. For kurtosis, the value is negative 1.287, and dividing it by the standard error of 0.252 gives a z-value of negative 5.11. Since that's much less than negative 1.96, the data is significantly platychortic, meaning it's flatter than a normal curve. In summary, the sleep duration is symmetrical and flat, showing that the most participants' sleep duration are spread out evenly around the average. Context and interpretation. Okay, so the average person sleeps around 7 hours per day, which aligns with general health recommendations. The small variation shows the most people follow a consistent sleep schedule. The slight bimodality could indicate differences in lifestyle. For example, some individuals may have early work shifts or longer rest days. And this suggests that within this dataset, sleep habits are relatively healthy and stable, with most individuals getting an adequate amount of rest.